have my Porsche. Alright, so I don't got much to talk about in this video, man, but I do want to show y'all something. I changed my two-step. This is the third time I changed it. The first time I changed it, it was too weak, and then the second time I changed it, it was just too slow. Now the third time I got it right. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that. I'm gonna show y'all all three of the times that I actually like changed it. I'm gonna go through all the steps so y'all can see it. And yeah, bro, they pick up Q60 right here. Bro, for some reason I'm in love with these Q60s, bro. I fucking love these Q60s. That was at 3,500 RPMs. Car coming, and I don't know what it is. I don't even know what kind of car this is. Hopefully ain't no cop. I'm gonna temp my 0 to 60 like this. 3K RPM launch. So here's how the car looking with the emblem blacked out. I wrapped it in matte black vinyl wrap, the same vinyl wrap I used to wrap the chrome piece around the grill. Right there. Looking like right now the car dirty because of all the salt, because of the snow. And I don't feel like washing it right now because I know it's like immediately gonna get dirty as soon as I pull out the car wash. So might as well just wait till all this clear back up and just take it for a wash.
All right, got you. God damn. Shit.